Hi, welcome to my video review on the Vevor commercial soft serve machine. The one that I'm going to be reviewing specifically is pictured here. It's the 5.8 to 7.9 gallon per hourly yield with high output, 2200 watts. It's a countertop model that allows you to do two different flavors as well as a combined twist flavor in the middle. This is usually my personal favorite to have because you can make a lot of different delicious combinations that are always fun to try. There are so many frozen yogurt mixes available, from vanilla to peanut butter and coffee and more. This machine is great for all of your needs, such as your restaurant business that is looking for a new frozen dessert option, or a cafe where your customers can have froyo and hang out, as well as at home that you and the whole family will love. So, here are some product specifications. As you can see, the voltage is 60 hertz or 110 volts. Like previously mentioned, an hourly yield of 5.8 to 7.9 gallons, which is 22 to 30 liters, a hopper capacity of 2 by 1.6 gallons, and there's also the liter conversion for that. The first molding time says it'll take about 13 to 16 minutes, which isn't bad. Input power of 2200 watts, compressor power of 1050 watts. And while we're on the subject of power, actually, it is important to note that soft serve machines must be plugged into a 20 amp outlet, so a regular at-home plug isn't going to work. Make sure you take that into account. Refrigerant is R410A and continuous output is 150 to 200 cups. And you can also see the measurements of the machine here, 29.3 inches by 21.3 inches, so a good size overall. One of the awesome features is the smart panel control, where the amount of soft serve in the machine is displayed, as well as the ability to set the softness of the frozen yogurt according to your taste. Some of the other cool options are the freshness function, where you can leave the ingredients in the hopper overnight, or the self-cleaning function that you can start with just one click. As you can see in the image, there's a hand, the one-click wash to really emphasize that cool feature, and you can also see the temperature on the screen there, as well as the 0%, 20%, 40%, 65%. This is what determines the fluffiness of how the mix dispenses. So you can choose that how you want it to come out. Another feature here you can see is the pre-cooling component that accelerates molding capacity. So you have the option to keep it fresh, whether it's for the day or for overnight. A few more close-ups of the machine emphasize the comfortable handles, a cooling vent so it doesn't overheat, and a drip tray for any messes made while dispensing the soft serve, which we all know happens. The Vevor machine is super easy to clean, which I think is a key attribute because sometimes using and cleaning machines like these can be a hassle to the point that it makes you just never want to use it again. This is not something you have to worry about here because all you have to do is follow these simple steps provided on the image. You pour water into the cylinder, press the cleaning button, and allow it to work for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you will drain the water and repeat these same exact steps about 2 to 3 times. So I do have to say, the only negative thing, one of the only things that I don't like is the fact that there's not really any sample mixes that come with the machine, or even just a list of examples which ones work best. So it kind of just leaves buyers with another researching process and possibly having to test out multiple mixes before finding the perfect taste. The soft serve mix is equally as important as the equipment you use to dispense it, in my opinion. If it's a cheap quality, crappy kind of flavor, then not even the best machine can fix that. Thankfully, as a frozen yogurt lover myself, I've tried many, and by far, Frogurt by Ward's Ice Cream is the best frozen yogurt mix that you can get. If you don't believe me, check out your local Bloomingdale's and visit their 40 Carrots Cafe, where you can try a few of the amazing flavors for yourself. All right, well, that's everything. This Vevor machine is really good. It's versatile. You can read the reviews on Amazon, and if you want the best price, make sure you click down below to the description where you'll find the link for it. I hope this review was helpful and that you really enjoy your frozen yogurt. Thank you. Bye.